Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, Faisal here, and at this video I will give you another tutorial. But this video will have a different or maybe a big difference with the other. Why? Because in this video I will give you a tutorial about we will configure medium lab. If our previous videos if my previous videos is teaching you about one lab or two labs, and in this video I will teach you about maybe more than three labs. So I will call it medium lab, AGRP medium lab, because in this video we will focusing on AGRP. Okay, first let's we configure in router 1. You open it. First, let's we enter to interface E0/0 that range to PC1. You can see here the IP address is with no shutdown. IP address 192.168.1.1, and don't forget the net mask here, prefix 24. And then let's move to interface E0/1 with the IP address 12.12.12.1.25.0. The prefix also using /24. No shutdown. Then let's move to interface E0/2 IP address 13.13.13.0/24. Sorry, point 1, and don't forget the net mask. Okay, then let's we add the interface loopback. We forgot to turn it on. Then let's we move to IP loopback. IP address 1.1.1.1, net mask. Okay, we all set. Now let's we move to router AGRP 10, network 1.1.1, network 192.168.1.0, network 12, network 13, then add no auto sum, then exit. Okay, first step, let's reconfigure all of the router that we got here. Interface E0/0, no shutdown. IP address 12.2, the net mask. Why we in interface E0/0 we use network 12? Because here as you can see the topology says it we use 12. Then interface E0/1, no shutdown. IP address 24.1, the net mask. Okay, and then let's we move to interface loopback 0, IP address 2.2.2.2, then interface loopback 1. Here as you can see we got IP address that we advertise it by using RIP T2. So the IP address is 20.10 until 20.40. This we will configure it in interface loopback 1 till interface loopback 4. So here, interface loopback 1, let's we add the IP address 20.20.20.10, and mask is slash 32. Then we move to loopback 2. Why so lagging ya? Press loopback 3, 30, then press loopback 4. Okay. Let's move to router EIGRP 10. Let's we add for the EIGRP first. 12.12.12.0, 24.0, and then the IP loopback 0. Okay, no auto summary. Let's remove the router RIP. P version 2, network 20.10, no auto summary. Exit. Okay, let's remove the router EIGRP again to redistribute the RIP. Redistribute RIP metric 111. Enter. Okay. And then let's remove to interface is versus 0. Let's we change the delay to 10,000. Okay. Oh, let's we do right for save the configuration. Let's we open router 3. Let's we move to interface is versus 0. I no shutdown. Why so lagging? 13.2 because 13.1 is used by router 1. Interface is versus 1. IP address no shutdown. IP address 34.1. And then interface loopback 1, loopback 0, IP address 3.3.3, prefix into loopback 1, IP address here. As you can see again, we got the same command like router 2, but the difference is in router 3 we will using OSPF to advertise the network, but in router 2 we use the RIP. The IP address 30.10. Enter. loopback 2. Let's we change the IP. Okay, then let's we move to router OSPF 10 network sorry, router ID network 30.10 0 and we will use default net mask, but we use the specific IP. Enter. Okay, exit. Then we move to router EIGRP network 13 network 34. Sorry guys, my laptop is still lagging. Network no auto summary. Okay. I forgot to redistribute the OSPF. Redistribute OSPF metric. Enter. OSPF 10. Okay. Do right. Let's move to router 4. Enable configuration terminal interface E060 no shutdown IP address 34.2. Ah, alhamdulillah, it's not like anymore. Interface E061 no shutdown IP address 24, that is line arranged to router 2, as you can see it, 24 and then hit 34, that was router 3. Then interface is 0/2 no shutdown IP address. This link is connect with router 5, so we use the IP for 45. Interface look like 0 IP address 4. Okay, let's see at the router HRP 10 network Wait a minute. Uh, 34.0, 24.0, 4, then 45, no auto summary. Then, as you can see here, we have to configure authentication. So let's reset keychain. Uh, okay, string IDN Pamija. Okay, then exit interface is 0/2. IP authentication. You wanna see here? This is the uh, you can use a question mark for asking the next command. Here, let's we add mode EIGRP 10 MD5. Then IP authentication keychain verify. Sorry, EIGRP 10 verify 2024. Okay, exit. Do right. Okay, after we configure router 4, we can configure unequal load balance for in router 1. Here, let's we show to show IP route topology that range to 4.4.4/52. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to IP topology. Wait a minute. Okay, let's we continue. It's supposed IP AGRP topology slash 32. Here, we can with this command we can see the metric that the metric of path 12.2 and the metric of path 13.2 that range to 4.4. Here you can see the reliability, load, and MTU, hop count, and other else. And also we can see the bandwidth. Okay, so let's we change the bandwidth of uh, 12.2. So let's we change interface is 0/1 bandwidth 100. Just let's we change to 1,000 because the bigger bandwidth will it will be decided by the best path. Okay, after we change, let we check again in the topology. The uh, 13.2, the this path will go up, will change this path because this path will go down. Here, as you can see, 13.2 is now on top of 12.2. So it means uh, the path will prefer to 13.2 rather than 12.2. Okay, so here uh, let's we divide this metric of 12.2 and metric 13.2 to decide the variance because we will set unequal load balancing. Let's we use calculator. Let's we see here 2739200 2,000,000 will be divided by 435,200. As you can see, the result is 6.29. We will simplify it to 7. So let's we move to router EIGRP 10 variance 7. Okay, here let's we check again to the topology. So why is it called unequal? I will explain it later in the second part of this video. Okay, let's we next to let's we do right first for saving our configuration, and then let's we next to router 5. Okay, enable configuration terminal. Let's we get to interface is 0/0, IP address for device 0.2, then interface is 0/1, IP address, no shutdown. Oh, the interface is 0/0 also, no shutdown. IP address 192.168.5.1. Okay, no shut no shutdown. It's configured. Okay, and then let's move to interface loopback 0, IP address 5 prefix /32. Okay, here as we can see in router 5 we also have command to make interface loopback 1 till 5 with this IP address, and later on we will summary the address into default route. Okay, interface interface loopback 1 IP address 50 and 10 prefix 52. Okay, then as we move to router EIGRP 10 network 50.50.10 20. No, router EIGRP, sorry guys. Okay, no out. Sorry, we forgot to add the network 45.0 and the network 192.168.5.0. Okay, and then let's we exit. Let's remove. Sorry, we had to forgot no auto summary. Exit. Then let's remove to interface E0/0 because we got a lot to do uh in this interface. IP summary address EIGRP 10 because we will use default root, so we will use this enter. Okay, and then let's we configure the authentication because without the authentication we can't to connect with uh, this side of router because we haven't unlocked the authentication like that. Let's add keychain 0KJ 2024 key 1 key string IDN pamijahan. Exit interface is 0 IP authentication mode EIGRP 10 MD5 IP authentication keychain EIGRP 10 TRKJ 2024. Oh, sorry. Exit. Okay, because you configure now, as you can see, we just add adjacency with the router 4, the night port here, as you can see. Okay, so let's we do right first for saving the configuration. Okay, uh, maybe that's all for this video because I will continue for the explanation in the other video in the second part of this video. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.